Good day. I am part of history. My name is Itao Christian. I am 21 years old and I was born in the Philippines. I currently live in Calapi and I am a Bachelor of Science in Marine Transportation. As a maritime student, I see myself connected to Philippines history in a unique way. Our country has always been shaped by the sea from the time of early Filipino traders who sailed across Southeast Asia to the arrival of Ferdinand Magellan in 1521. The sea has played a major role in our history. Today, as I study navigation and seamanship, I feel like I am continuing that long tradition of Filipino who works and live through the ocean. I compare myself to Si Rizal, not because I am as great as he is, but because like him, I believe education is powerful. Rizal used his knowledge and courage to help awaken the Filipino people. As a student, I also believe that through education, discipline, and hard work, we can contribute to the future of our country in my own way. Even if I am not fighting in revolution, I am preparing myself to serve responsibly and represent the Philippines with pride wherever my maritime career may take me. It is important to study Philippine history as a student and as part of the nation because history teaches us who we are. It reminds us of the sacrifice of our heroes, the struggle of our people, and the lesson from our past mistake. Without history, we lose our identity. By understanding our past, we become our responsible citizens who can make better decisions for the future. One day, future historian will look back at students like me, the youth of today, and see how we help shape the nation through our profession, values, and action. I am not just a student, I am part of Philippine history.